When it comes to the most desirable communities along 30A, WaterColor is near the top of the list. And this is the side of WaterColor most people miss. Tucked into one of Phase 4's most private pockets, this home sits on an incredible lot. Preserve on two sides, a pond out back, and room for a pool, and a layout designed for gathering. If you're dreaming of the WaterColor lifestyle, but want a little more space and serenity, then you're gonna love this home. Come and join me for a tour of 318 East Royal Fern Way. Located in WaterColor's highly sought after Phase 4, this home features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a dedicated bunk room, and generous parking with a carport plus 3 additional spaces. With over 2,900 square feet of beautifully designed living space, it sits on one of the most private and picturesque lots in the entire community. Preserve on two sides and a serene pond just beyond the backyard. A welcoming front porch sets the tone for the relaxed WaterColor lifestyle, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or greeting guests as they arrive. Inside, you're greeted by an open concept living space highlighted by custom millwork, refined craftsmanship, and soft natural light pouring in from oversized transom windows. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to feel warm, bright, and connected. The main living area offers an inviting place to unwind or entertain, with beautiful hardwood floors and a layout that flows effortlessly from one space to the next. The kitchen blends coastal elegance with everyday functionality. Quartz countertops, upgraded appliances, fresh designer finishes, and plenty of room for gathering around the island. A closer look reveals the custom tile backsplash, one of the many curated selections that elevate the home's coastal modern aesthetic. The dining space is surrounded by windows framing tranquil views of the backyard and pond, making every meal feel connected to nature. Just off the kitchen, a thoughtful drop zone leads into a beautifully upgraded laundry and Butler's pantry space. Complete with custom cabinetry, an ice maker, and a KitchenAid beverage fridge, it's the perfect blend of style and function. A well-appointed half bath serves guests with ease. The first floor guest suite provides comfort and privacy, with an ensuite layout ideal for visiting family or friends. Heading up to the second level, you'll find even more space designed for gathering and relaxation. At the top of the stairs, a large bonus room creates the perfect setting for movie nights, gaming, or a cozy retreat for kids and guests. A spacious full bath serves both the guest bedroom and the bunk room on this level. The custom-built bunk space is both playful and practical, ideal for vacationing families or maximizing rental potential. A bright and inviting guest room sits just down the hall, offering plenty of natural light and easy access to the shared bath. Both upstairs guest rooms open onto this peaceful screened balcony, a perfect spot for morning coffee, an evening cocktail, or simply listening to the sounds of nature. Another guest suite features its own private bathroom, giving everyone a comfortable place to unwind. The owner's suite is a true retreat, expansive, airy, and filled with natural light. The spa-inspired bathroom features beautiful tile work, a soaking tub, and refined finishes that create a calming, luxury experience. Just off the suite, a private balcony overlooks the backyard and pond, offering one of the most serene views anywhere in WaterColor. Back downstairs, the outdoor living space continues the theme of relaxation, with a wide rear deck and paver patio designed for unwinding after a day at the beach. This is one of the rarest backyards in watercolor. Expansive, private, and large enough to accommodate a future pool. Outdoor spaces like this simply don't come along very often. And just beyond the yard, a peaceful pond view brings a sense of calm and connection to nature that defines this part of Phase 4 in watercolor. As you can tell, 318 East Royal Fern Way has so much to offer. Buying a 30A beach home in a community like watercolor doesn't have to feel overwhelming, especially when a property like this brings so much clarity through its unique setting and thoughtful design. For the complete listing details and to view all the photos, simply scan this QR code or click the link in the description below. And if you want a concierge-style experience to help you confidently secure the right home here on 30A, you can also scan this QR code to book a call with me. Until next time, make it a great day on 30A.